Labels blowing up my line and got me missing calls. Told her you ain't gotta hit me till you licking. Feel like ZVF baby, I'll be cooler than the mink weather. Make a coke bottle.
We have been testing out this Advento Pro suit from Rynox for a while now. 13,750 रुपये की जैकेट, 7,350 रुपये का पैंट. आखिर क्या अच्छा है और क्या बुरा है, आज इस बारे में बात करते हैं. As you can see, this is an all-weather suit. This is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. This is a full suit. There is a big chain here that you can connect. आप जैकेट और पैंट को कनेक्ट कर लीजिए तो एट द टाइम ऑफ क्रैश जैकेट या पैंट अलग अलग नहीं भागते एंड यू बिकम सेफर. इट बिकम्स अ फुल सूट. देयर आर मल्टीपल कलर ऑप्शंस. दिस वन इज ग्रे एंड इट इज माय एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट. वी हैव अ ब्यूटीफुल गोरिल्ला विद अस. Matches the color. सामने you have two vents and on the back you have one big vent. Two pockets to put your stuff in. This is a touring jacket, तो space की कोई कमी नहीं है. There is ample space on both of the pockets. On the pants, similarly you have two more pockets. इधर मैंने एक फ़ोन रखा है, इधर मैंने एक फ़ोन रखा है. It has enough space to put your phone in. Then you have ventilation on the pant at the front. Similarly, हाथ में भी there is ventilation that you can easily open and close. Here you have adjustability. How tight you want your sleeve to be. अगर आप snug fit रखना चाहते हैं तो फिर it becomes very easy because it comes with rayon guards. These guards are very sleek and flexible. It becomes very easy to wear this jacket and simply tighten it up to have a better fit and overall better ergonomics. ये सामने के जो vent हैं, these come with a magnet, so you can simply tuck them. और जब आपको use नहीं करने हैं, so you can do this and do this and you can close these up. अभी काफ़ी गर्मी है तो मैं खोल लेता हूँ. पूरी की पूरी jacket is made out of nylon. On the impact parts, especially on the elbows and the shoulders, there is 500D Invista Cordura. Invista Cordura is a high abrasion resistant material. हमारे टेस्ट में we have been testing out 500D Invista Cordura very much because ये बहुत majorly jackets में मिलता है, premium riding jackets में मिलता है, and it has been passing all our tests with flying colors. Very soon you will see a separate test where we put this in a abrasion tester and give you the results. Inside these panels, this is mesh to give you apt ventilation. Pant is made out of same material. On all the important parts, you have reinforcements. So जब आप बाइक में बार बार बैठते और उतरते हैं तो ये फटता नहीं है and it gives it a longer life, which makes it better for you to have them for longer time. Overall material is top notch. All the stitching, all the parts are top notch. हमने इसको खींच खाच के abrasion tester में and puller में भी डाल के देखा. Nothing came off. This is a very high quality, very well made jacket with all the top quality materials. This jacket and pant is also very comfortable. These panels, especially because these are 500D Cordura with reflectors, it helps you to become a little more movable, I'd say. जब आप बाइक चला रहे रहते हैं एडवेंचर में, you move a lot on the saddle, and because this is thin, light and abrasion resistant, it is very easy to just move around and have a comfortable fit on these kind of riding gear. अब कुछ देर बाद अगर आप इनको पहने रहेंगे तो आपको लगेगा नहीं कि you are wearing an all weather coated jacket. ये मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because coated materials usually do not have this kind of breathability. This Aeroburst air channel thing, superiorly crazy. Believe me, when this jacket came to the studio, my biggest concern was airflow, and I was very much concerned कि पता नहीं यार, दो वेंट सामने एक बड़ा वेंट पीछे, इससे होगा क्या. You guys try it out, come back and tell me. This is one of the best kind of airflows that we have seen in an all-weather jacket. I have worn many international brands. This is far better than few of them. We already have a lot of international brands in our studio and test के बाद it is very surprising to see कि ये इन jackets में airflow इतना ज़्यादा improved है. Right now it's around 30-ish degrees Celsius and I'm very comfortably wearing this. I've been saying this to every Indian gear manufacturer. Whenever you are making riding pants, make the entrance and an exhaust. हवा अंदर आएगी, अंदर से घूम घाम के गर्म हवा बाहर निकल जाएगी, and this is what is happening with these pants. These pants are very comfortable and the ventilation is very nice. When you are sitting on the motorcycle, ये जो part है ना, ये एकदम straight आता है सामने की side, and all the air comes in, and you see there is the ventilation, so it comes in and goes out, gives you a very good feel. Comfort के मामले में there are no compromises. This is a very comfortable jacket. Just like this little fellow here, this jacket is also very tough. ये मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ because we have sent one of these sets to one of the most treacherous places in this world, Upper Mustang. अपर मुस्तांग से वापस आने के बाद वी thoroughly analyzed it, nothing came off except little threading on this velcro was coming off, so that is one thing, but other than that the whole jacket was absolutely intact, the whole pant was absolutely intact. These are very high quality rayon guards, and rayon guards are my favorite because of the flexibility and the thinner profile that they have. The build quality of this jacket, it's built like a tank. One complaint I have about this pant is this part, you see, it looks a little odd. It is comfortable but it looks a little odd. Right now I'm wearing a 9-incher boot, but जैसे आप लंबे बूट पहनते हैं ना, आप 11-incher बूट पहनते हैं, then it looks a little odd here because shin bone तक काफ़ी लंबा गार्ड है यहाँ पे पैर में. shin bone तक जब ये गार्ड जाता है तब बूट्स के अंदर पैर डालने पे थोड़ा बहुत कभी कभी ये गार्ड टकराता है, and that is one problem, but there is a solution. This thing has a knee slap so you can adjust it, but adjust करने के बाद भी कभी कभी वो टकराता है, तो it is a little nick that I have. Maybe it is with me. I'm 5'8" in height, and I'm not wearing an M size. Usually I wear an M size. I'm wearing one size up. It is L size because my waist is a little big now. थोड़ा सा मोटा हो गया मैं, but I'll go back to wearing size M very soon, because you know we are on a dirt ground and there is an X-Pulse on the background. I've been ripping the X-Pulse on the same ground here only with the same jacket in this temperature, so not that tough to wear. But yes, if it's extremely hot, because this is an all weather jacket, it is going to be a little on the hotter side. All ventilated jackets compromise on safety. Ventilated jackets में आता है mesh, and that mesh is not really abrasion friendly. जो महंगे mesh हैं वही abrasion friendly हैं, and वो फिर महंगा बहुत ही महंगा है. That is around 30-35,000 rupees. प्राइस मैंने आपको पहले बता दिया था, बट 13,750 रुपये की ये जैकेट है एंड 7,350 रुपये का ये पैंट है. डोंट टेक माई वर्ड्स, वेयर देम वंस. किसी दोस्त के पास है, पहन लीजिए और थोड़ा सा बाइक चला के आइए 100-200 किलोमीटर. You will understand what I'm talking about. What do you want to see next? Drop down in the comment section below. We'll be coming up with new reviews very soon. तब तक के लिए अपन चले मोटरसाइकिल चलाने, और भाई लोग कांटे हैं. बाय बाय.